Sales support with one click. The point of sale mode in pcon.basket Pro. I'm Tim, and today I want to introduce you to a feature in pcon.basket Pro that can make a big difference, especially for sales employees during customer meetings. Where does the customer look first when they see an article? At the price. The price certainly plays a significant role, but not the internal conditions like the purchase price and your margin. In customer discussions, the focus is on good advice, where ultimately the final price is relevant. The point of sale mode in pcon.basket Pro lets you easily hide these internal price details so you can focus on your customer's needs. In pcon.basket Pro you will find a small button POS at the bottom left. When you toggle the switch, the point of sale mode is activated. In POS mode, the project calculation and article calculation are grayed out and cannot be clicked on. In addition, the purchase and sales prices are no longer displayed on the items, but only the price date and the net position. This allows you to fully focus on presenting the products and configure new items without having to worry about the details of the price calculation. By hiding discounts, surcharges and profit margins, the risk of disclosing internal information is minimized, while displaying the final price guarantees the transparency of the project. Once the presentation is completed and you want to display all the information again, you can exit the point of sale mode with a simple click on the button. This will make all the information visible again and you can proceed with the calculation as usual. The point of sale mode is not only suitable for direct sales in store, but also for customer meetings or web presentations. Wherever quick and focused interaction is required, you can use this mode to ensure a professional and effective presentation. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Check out this video to learn how to optimize your item lists in pcon.basket. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.